second living quarters in Melbourne. The garden there is very nice. Very nice indeed.
Hi, so we're now in another apartment. Scheduling got a little bit crazy, but this is our other one and it's so nice. It's very close to the other one that we were staying at, so it's got like the view and everything, but like look how beautiful it is. Kitchen, balcony. This is the room that I'm staying in. I'll show you my outfit today as well. This is my outfit for today. I don't know how long I'll be staying in this vest for because it is so hot outside. Or inside. It's just very hot today. But yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, this is rosemary.
Nice. So we could literally pick rosemary if we wanted. Nice. It also keeps away mosquitoes.
That is a good point.
That is a good point. Oh, there's a step.
Can we get security to aisle 3? Someone's twerking again.
Actually a baby bottle. It's milk and it's a baby bottle. Strawberry fruit. It's yogurt. Oh!
Thank goodness this didn't take too long. It's so hot and melting on the inside. You wanna know what is a cruel summer? Being a mustache. That's it, just a collection of sweaty hair. Blah!
Oreo.
Oreo. Whoopie cushion. Is that what they call it? A whoopie pie? Not a whoopie cushion, whoopie pie.
Choco pie.
Choco pie.
It's not bad.
Does it taste like an actual Oreo?
No. It kind of tastes like a chocolate cake. This is almost, it almost tastes like marshmallow fluff.
Oh, so not proper Oreo filling either.
No. Yeah, it's definitely, it's like egg white fluff.
Oh, and she's also got this, which is this is the self-heating pot.
Yeah, we'll see if we like it or not.
And those hella weird Pringles.
Full warning, these seaweed flavored Pringles are wasabi seaweed flavored Pringles. Even the ingredients just say seaweed flavored potato chip.
Interesting. Oh, no. Crispy skirt dumplings. Ah, yes. So Nonnie throws her drink and the spoon in it. But now she has an icy pot.
Ta-da! Just keeps going. It's like
icy bowl.
yeah.
Back up she comes. I think it went pretty good.
with a touch of magic, Nonnie and Kelly were already in their swimming costumes. Ta-da!
I bumped into something.
Was it this? This step? No, you're gonna hit it. Stop. Starfishing. My bad. Oh, yeah. Nice and relaxing in the morning. And I got a top knot.
See, I was more sensible. I went for the braid option.
I'm gonna visit the body. Bye. I lost my flip flop. Thank you.
Don't know if you'll be able to see it.
Really?
Yay! Look, we're gonna make these little heart waffles.
Because Nonnie loves waffles.
I do love waffles.
That's why I go with the waffles.
Waffle supremacy. They had donuts, they had other things, but I saw the waffles and I was like, we're gonna see how easy or hard it is to make these. Because I've seen these online.
They're made for kids.
Supposedly. If you say so. Just add water. It's that easy. You want to pass me the box? It's got all the instructions on it. Did you just want to cut it? But the focus of that was there. It was gonna look so nice. I got sticky tape.
I'm gonna do a quick repair job on this.
If you want.
I do want.
Okay. Add powder.
ASMR.
Knead the dough. Shape into a bowl. Close the mold and pinch the mold.
Pinch the mold. Pinch. Wow. It's got explicit.
I don't think pinching is necessarily explicit.
What?
Scissors, please. So, thank you. I also just cut in the wrong place. Oh well. Well, I would have had it done, but you stole my scissors.
Sorry. Actually, you handed me the scissors. I kind of want to open this up and then cut around the plate to just use the plate part.
You can do that. You want to pass me the box? It's got all the instructions on it.
You have to scan.
Okay.
I'll translate.
I've got my phone.
Yeah.
Did you just want to cut it?
But the full cover that was there.
Scissors, please. So, thank you. Did you want to get started on the jelly?
Yeah, I can do the jelly. This is the berry sauce. This is the cranberry jelly.
Mm-hmm.
Why cranberry?
I don't know. It doesn't make much sense to me, but I guess cranberry might.
Trying to heal people's UTIs.
Mm.
Okay. Because then we can turn the board around
Look
if
how
we want to.
cute it is.
It's so cute. That is cute.
Do you have the little triangle? Yes.
Yes, because I need to add a full triangle cup to the tray here. Oh, that smells like cranberry.
I like cranberries.
I take cranberry because I need to take cranberry.
Oh, I mean, like, it's not traditionally what I would go for, but I don't mind having it.
And they're getting jammy. Well, jammy. Please work.
Work.
Oh gosh, it's already getting quite jellyish.
Yeah.
Whoa, we gotta work fast.
Oh, whoops.
I was a bit
That was a bit aggressive.
Holy moly, that was aggressive. Let's protect our precious little waffles.
Okay, could you grab me some tissue?
Keep that under the dang camera.
Watermelon cream. Add 2 triangles.
They look very cute. This is what the jellies are looking like so far. Definitely not as clean as what they show in the instructions and on the box, but it'll still be jelly.
Is anything ever that clean?
The spare jelly. Oh, that looks weird. Looks like minty toothpaste, like runny toothpaste.
Yeah, a little bit. Complete with like bits in it.
It's not the green that the picture is. The wasabi green. It's definitely not that. It's more like a minty toothpaste green.
Yeah, everything looks a little bit more saturated in the photos. It does smell super like watermelon though, so.
Oh, wow.
Like a watermelon lollipop. Like the Chupa Chups ones.
Bless you. Bless you again.
Can I lick this? I kind of want to taste it. Like this.
But what if it tastes bad and then it ruins the whole ending of
But
that?
it just seems like you're missing out on quite a bit of it.
You'd like to, but if it tastes bad, you're not going to want to taste it afterwards.
I don't mind artificial watermelon.
Okay. It's probably very sweet.
Actually, it's not like sweet. Maybe wait until I can wash the spoon.
No, I
Because it might be able to get out. It might be easier to get out.
It's pretty easy to pop out.
Oh! Okay.
My hands are clean, I just want to poke it. Oh, I didn't mean to poke the spoon. My depth perception while I'm filming and trying to do stuff isn't great. My finger's huge compared to it. Ah, I'm a giant. Oh, yes.
Let's make some apple jam.
Jam. Can I stir it with my chopstick?
You may.
Yay. It's quite watery.
Yeah, it's because it's the sauce.
Oh. Oh, that smells nice. I do like blueberry scented stuff.
Oh, that does.
The fake
It does.
blueberry. I don't want to know what's in this, by the way.
I wouldn't. Those little cranberries should be ready.
Yeah, I'll try and get some out. Look at the syrup though. The syrup is syruping.
Yeah, it almost looks white on camera. It is green.
It's green, but it's very, like I said, minty toothpaste green, like a very
Yeah.
pale green.
Like a very artificial watermelon. You know what? It
It's
almost
more rock melon, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I was gonna say. It almost looks like rock melon.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yes. You must feel. That works, right?
Yeah, a little bit lighter as well, so you can see it inside.
There was a lot more purple in here than there was with the green that I popped in there, but
I like it though.
yeah, I think that was cute, right?
Yeah.
Whoop. That was. Whoop. He's a slippery fellow. Look how it kind of just squishes in there. Wanna pop in there? We must both experience the squidging. There we go.
Nice.
Very nice.
Nice. I'm gonna put some dots on the points here.
Snipped. It is snipped, snapped, snopped. Oh yes. In front of I can do on this camera. I can zoom. Hearts on hearts. Heart, heart.
Heart, heart.
Oh.
Oh, stop.
People like watching jelly get cut, right?
I think so.
Get off now. Get off. Stuck. People need to Watch Nonnie's circle making skills. Whoa, keep going. Go out a bit more on here. Yeah. Brilliant. Yes.
Sorry, I gotta clean this up.
How's the blueberry taste?
Pretty good, actually. Okay. Cheers.
I'm going to pick up some Leroy. Here to here. This stuff, bye-bye. Icky.
Yeah.
Waffly, 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 waffles.
Hi, I'm back again. I don't know how much of the last video you've seen. My camera cut out, so I guess we'll see.
Recap. Blueberry good. Cranberry bad. Melon flavor bad. Replaced with strawberry, maple syrupy flavors, and whipped cream.
You know what though? The sprinkles are pretty good.
I mean, they're just sugar. I like doing little things like this though. It's fun. I know they're for kids, but like adults can be kids too. You're allowed.
I don't know if these are strictly for kids. I feel like you need quite a bit of fine motor skill.
I don't know if you can't see, but she's so like picking
I'm
up
fully just taking off
all of the blueberry stuff that's on the
and the
sprinkles.
And the sprinkles.
And she's just like vampire sucked out all of the life from the
Yep.
the blueberry.
Yeah.
What is it called? Like
That's me. I'm a vampire.
you are one now. You gotta be one.
Oh yeah. I burnt my wrist the other day and I just have these 2 burn dots on my wrist and I keep saying that it looks like a baby vampire just didn't quite catch my vein properly. They tried to like suck my blood and they missed.
She's a vampire now.
I know. Meh, done. Quite fun.
Yay.